like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbia's Customs. In today's video we will be installing some off-road ditch lights with a factory button. The kit we ordered is going to be placed on the hood. It comes with 2 brackets, 2 lights, and the wiring harness. You can start by putting the lights on the supports first or later. This doesn't matter in which order you do it. We are also replacing the factory button with one that looks from Toyota. It is very important that the harness comes with a relay and a fuse to prevent a fire. We will be installing it on a Toyota Tacoma, but it is very similar on most vehicles. The supports use the same bolts that keep the hood in its place.
Here we go.
The brackets come marked as passenger and driver. Install one bolt at a time, that way you can prevent the hood disalignment. Check that the light doesn't hit the glass. Always disconnect the battery before any electrical work. To install the harness, we will be hooking up the positive straight to the battery and the negative to the frame of the vehicle.
Invincible.
Put all the wires away nicely and hang the relay away from any damage. For the button wire, we will be running the wires through the firewall into the cabin. We will have to take apart the bottom part of the dash to change this button. Start by removing the plastic that's by the door. Remove the screw that sits on the footwell and then start removing the bottom of the steering wheel dash. With a little force, pull the plastic to unhook the pins. Be careful with the wires and disconnect everything. Replace the blank button with a new one. Pull the wire that we ran from the engine bay. Cut the factory button and install the new one. The wires are going to be different colors for each button and lights, but this one's the one I used for the Cali raised. I'll leave the chart, but always check the manual. I also added some better lights, so that's why I have a couple more wires. Secure all the wires back in the dash and put everything back in its place. Check the lights work and place everything how you want them. Hope this video was of help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.